Why am I sitting here using this door? And why is it open so slow? Bonjour everyone. It's Tuesday. I'm tired. It's my lunchtime. I'm about to go in my car and go to sleep. Or try to go to sleep. Why do I have this one outside? Don't know. I have an appointment after my lunch. But the person that made the appointment said they want a relaxer and a rinse. But they don't have no colors that are rinses. Because a rinse is a literally temporary color. You just take the color, you put it on the hair, you don't mix it with nothing. Pause. So I'm gonna have to put my heat on, it's a little cold. A relaxer. I mean, I personally don't, I'm tired. If I gotta mix the hair color with developer, I'm not gonna put it on the hair right after a relaxer. I'm just not. I don't know what this lady really wants, so we'll see. I don't know if maybe she brings in her own color. I wonder if it's that lady that brings in her own color. And I just start working here and I don't got time to be breaking the rules. Yeah, I was supposed to put me some eyelashes on when I did this hairstyle. I need to do my eyebrows. I'm going to take a nap. Hello everyone, I'm back home. I'm about to log in for work. Ciao. The client I had today, she wanted a hair color, which I debated if I was going to add hair color as something I did because hello everyone. It's Wednesday. I'm about to walk across the street. Yes, I'd be dramatic putting on a scarf. But in my mind, if you cover your neck and your nose, you won't get sick. It's like 70-something degrees. It's a little cold, but I'm always cold, so. I'm literally walking to that light and then like 3 buildings down. Like in the same strip, but like, yeah, so I'm literally going across the street. Although I'm just going across the street, I cannot drive my vehicle until my appointment. Because I'm a new resident, I have to go to the downtown office or I have to go somewhere out of the way to do my tags. So yeah. So, on my way back, it's been like 20 minutes. The longest part, honestly, was me sending the fax. Trying to figure that out and wait for a self-service thing to be open. Hope the wind, that was not windy. Pause, because this car is going off. So yeah. I hope that fax went through. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back in the house. Ciao, y'all see this thing telling me to go? Well, none of those drivers cared. And they're ready to run me and this guy over. Like, since when do pedestrians not have the right of way? Apparently not here. I don't know why it's so zoomed up. But hopefully that DHL truck means my package was delivered. Guess it's a good thing that I walked, because I can see the apartment below me. They definitely had my package, which I don't know why. I definitely just put in the notes, because I didn't see it on the address, my apartment number. So I don't know why I was at the apartment below me. So I'm back home. That took me like 30 minutes. I feel like it would have taken the same amount of time driving too, because literally that street that you have to turn off of to turn on that main street is that street I'm always complaining about, that the light be green for 2 seconds then turn back red, so I'll be stuck at that light for like 20 minutes. But why did I just do that? I had to fax something, and then I've been off of work a couple of hours. I had to upload some documents, which I did that. Then I had to fax some documents, and then I'm forgetting some. Oh, I'm about to call these people back or try. These people were supposed to call me back yesterday. No one did. I've been trying to reach them all day or since I got off of work. Ciao. I don't know why I keep recording on Snapchat. Maybe for the filters. But one thing about these deliveries is this delivery said it was gonna come on the 13th, and I'm like, oh, this is Alma. I was like, that's not gonna come on the 13th because I know when I ordered it, I'm like, it don't take that long. And then yesterday it was in Ohio. I'm like, I'm gonna get it tomorrow because why would it come on Monday? So I'm glad I got it today. I originally thought the client needed their hair by the 15th, but their appointment's not till the 22nd, so I have to color these bundles. It's hair that I don't really sell bundles anymore. I mean, I can still get the hair, but that's a texture that I never sold, so I ordered that, and then I have to color it. I'm gonna try to do that this week or start it because I gotta bleach it first and then color. They want like a copper color. So yeah, I'm tired. I got a workout in though. I need a car wash so bad. Hello y'all, I'm in my vehicle. Oh no. Oh. I'm about to go print out something again at Fedex, and then, well, the first thing I'm about to do is try to put my eyelashes on. I have my hair glue in the car, and I'm supposed to have two really big ones, but I don't know where the other one is. So I hate having to mess up something to look for something. I forgot what I said, but I'm going to FedEx. Then I'm going to try to see if I can get a vehicle inspection somewhere over here. No appointment required, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm feeling, oh, here it is. Y'all, I think I had grabbed a bobby pin to put my eyelashes on with, and I think I left it in the house. Dang! Alright, so now I gotta find something. I'll be back. I put it in my head. I was like, what's sticking out my head? I thought it was the hair. It was the bobby pin. I just saw somebody's real face for the first time. Because, you know, well, at least I do. I give people a face. Because, you know, you can't see it with these masks on. I wonder what face people give me. Like, I wonder what face they give me. Because, I had this one client, I told her, I was like, girl, that is not how I thought you looked. I think I gave her a face based off her eyebrows. And I mixed her face with somebody else's because I think maybe they got similar eyebrows. And she don't look anything like the face I gave her. And then the manager where I work, I gave her a face, and she had her mask down a little bit one day, and I was like, that is not the face. That is not what she's supposed to look like. I need to put this glue on something. Use this. Eyelashes just make everything better. So that was fast. Also, I don't know if I came on camera yesterday, but happy birthday to Nicki Minaj. Since I didn't drive anywhere yesterday, did I walk to the store yesterday? I can't remember what's going on, but anyways, I'm listening to Nicki Minaj all day, or until I get from the store. I need to get gas too. That was fast. I was in there talking to the guy at the counter. Like, I literally never sat down. That's how fast it was. So I'm about to go to the grocery store just to pick up a couple few things, because I literally have no food. All I have is some cans of soup that I bought. I need broccoli. I need spinach. I need orange juice again. I don't think the stuff that be on my door lasts good. I need to see if I can turn on my refrigerator. I don't know if I can, because the stuff in my freezer don't freeze good. Like, once it's melted, it's never gonna get frozen again. And then the stuff on my fridge be rotting too fast. Like, I had some orange juice. I get orange juice only to make my, dang, why'd I come over here? To make my breakfast, like my meal replacement smoothies. Even though I don't know if they're really meal replacement, because I still be hungry. But that's why I got orange juice, to make those. And the orange juice that I just used, I think I made one, like, within a week. The orange juice was rotten, and I know it was rotten because, one, the jug was all swollen, and I was like, but is it? And then I drank a little bit of it, spit it out, because it was like all acidy, like pop. I'm like, so I don't think the stuff on my door lasts once it's open, how long it should last. So anywho, I'm gonna just get a couple things from the store, hopefully, because I have nothing to eat, and I hope they got some good broccoli. And I'm gonna go to this particular store. I should get gas while I'm there too, because brain think. Oh, they have the shrimp that I eat. So, and I don't know what else I want to eat, because it's hard for me to find stuff to eat, because I don't eat meat really, and I'm not really plant-based, because a lot of that plant-based stuff is nasty, and I actually don't like a lot of vegetables. I don't like a lot of different fruits. So this hair is itchy. When I take this hairstyle out, I'm gonna dip this hair, because it's just too itchy for me. I'll be back. I'm gonna listen to my music. I only come here to get certain things, and if it wasn't for the fact of an employee discount, I would never shop here. In Arizona it's called Safeway. I only shopped at Safeway once I worked there and got that discount. It was a lot of them in like the older areas. So I'm like, this is where all the old people shop at. And I'm like, they know they shady, charging all this money for this crap. Because the stuff don't even be on sale. Pause. Like, they sales be literally the price marked up, and then the sale will be 10 cents more than what it costs everywhere else. I'll be like, so I'm gonna get produce and vegetables first, because every time when you first come in, it's the frozen section, but every time I get the frozen stuff first, I end up with all my stuff melted. So I'm gonna get that at the end. Now this is a deal. Plus I'm gonna get extra employee discount. Like this. These are $1. Like, who y'all trying to play? Alright, let me concentrate. Child, spinach be $1.50. Y'all trying to charge $2.50 for what? This look rotten already. I'm telling you, this is another store I'm at. The produce in Texas is trash. See what I'm saying? That means it's rotten. That means it's rotten. It's about to be spoiled in 2 days. What's the price for my shrimps? I don't even see the price. That means they done went up on it. This is the shrimps, but I don't see no price. So I'm done with that. I'm about to go home. I think I live like a mile away, definitely less than 2, so hopefully my stuff don't melt. I don't know why I picked this time to go. It's after 5 o'clock, but it's okay. The Go One Trip, always, because going up and downstairs carrying groceries is dumb.